Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Docker Engine latest version on Debian Linux operating systems. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to Docker official website, that is docs.docker.com. Then click on manuals, then select Docker Engine, then select install, then select Debian, then scroll down. See, OS requirements are Debian, Trixie, Bookworm, Bullseye. Okay, 11, 12 and 13. I am on 13, but the installation process is same for all these. Okay, if there are any older versions, we have to uninstall by running this command. Just click on this copy button, then open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, no Docker package is installed. Okay, Control A. Now installation methods. See, here we have these methods. I am going to install by using Docker's apt repository. So click on it. Now we have to run these commands one by one. First we have to update the packages. Sudo apt get update. Control A. Now install curl and CS certificates. See, both are already newest versions. Now create the keyrings directory. Now add the repository to apt sources. So copy entire these 4 lines, paste it, hit enter. Now update packages again. Sudo apt get update. All packages are up to date. Okay, now install. See, if you want to install latest version, you have to run this command. If you want to install specific version, you have to click on here. Okay, click on latest, then click on this copy button to copy entire command, paste it. See, it is going to install Docker CE, Docker CLI, Containerd, BuildX plugin and Docker Compose plugin. Hit enter. See, it is going to install these packages. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Control A. Now verify the status of the Docker service. Sudo systemctl status Docker. See, Docker is installed and it is started and enabled. Quit Control A. Now verify the version of the Docker. Docker --version. See, we have installed Docker version 28.5. Okay, Control A. If you want to get more information, run Docker sudo Docker version. See, we got the more information. Okay, now verify that successfully installed or not by running this hello world image. So copy this one, paste it, hit enter. See, successfully installed. Okay, Control A. The last option is, suppose if we give like this Docker version, see, you got the permission denied error. But if we give sudo at start, see, we haven't received any error. So to avoid this error, we have to run sudo usermod -a caps G, then group name Docker, then $user. This will add current user to this group. Hit enter. Now run Docker version. See, you got the same because we have to log off and log in back to get full output. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Docker Engine latest version 28.5 on Debian operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.